Hey, what's going on? It's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Welcome to my uPassive review. Now I'm here inside of the members area of uPassive, and during this video I'm going to give you a demo of exactly what this is and exactly how it works. In a nutshell, uPassive is an online application that is going to create campaigns for you. Okay, it's going to do everything that you basically need to do for affiliate marketing. It's going to create your landing pages for you. It's going to create your pre-sales pages for you. It comes with inbuilt traffic. It also hooks up to your autoresponder if you have one. And if you don't have one, it will save all of your subscribers, all of your leads inside of this platform. Now, it also comes pre-made with a bunch of different ready-to-go campaigns in different niches that aren't inside of the MMO niche or the Make Money Online niche. So I think this is a great product. I think you should pick this up, and I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses if you choose to do so. And you can check those out by clicking on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video if you watch on YouTube. When you do that, it's going to take you through to my bonus page that will look like this. Now, uPassive is going to go live today it's going to go live on the, let me just double check for you to make sure I don't get this wrong. Okay, it's going to go live on the 30th of April. Okay, so as of that time, on the 30th of April, at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you'll be able to scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons, and that will take you through to the sales page that will look like this, where you can go ahead and you can pick this up. Now, you'll need to pick it up before the countdown timer on my bonus page here hits 0, because when it does, all of my bonuses will expire, right? And that's something that I obviously don't want you to miss out on, because I've put together some really good bonuses for you inside of my bonus package that are definitely going to help you out with this. Now, my first bonus, which I'll talk to you about in a second, is time sensitive, right? It's only going to be available for the first 12 hours of this launch. So 30th of April at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time, that's when this will start, and it will be taken down at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 30th of April. So please bear that in mind. Now, what this first bonus is it's access to my next product. Now, my next product is going to be called Lazy Traffic Sniper, and this is a training course all about getting free traffic from Quora, okay? Now, we've been battle testing this for the past couple of months, and we've been getting some really good results from using this strategy. So our beta testers have been making a lot of money from the free traffic that they've been getting from Quora, which is targeted traffic. So we've bundled all of this up into a training course, which is going to show you exactly how to do this as well. Now, Lazy Traffic Sniper is actually going to be going live on the 6th of May. So this isn't even been released yet. Okay, it's going live next week, and we're going to be selling this for $12.95. Now, you can get access to this early. You can get free access to this when you pick up uPassive, but remember, this is only going to be available for the first 12 hours. So, first of all, you need to pick up uPassive within that first 12 hours. So between 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 30th of April and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 30th of April. You need to buy uPassive in between that time frame. Once you have purchased uPassive, you'll be able to get access to Lazy Traffic Sniper. And once you do get access to Lazy Traffic Sniper, what you would need to do is go into your address bar up here. I don't think you can actually see this, but you need to bookmark this, okay? Because after 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 30th of April, I'll be removing access from this. So you need to bookmark this. And if you don't bookmark it, then you won't be able to access it again. So please bear that in mind, because I will be removing this, and I won't be taking any excuses. Reason being is because I actually want to try and sell this on the 6th of May. Right? So I won't be taking any excuses. Make sure that you bookmark this. This is your responsibility, okay? So that's bonus number 1. And obviously this is time sensitive for the first 12 hours only. Bonus number 2, and in fact the rest of my bonuses are all about traffic. The reason being is because uPassive will create your campaigns for you. Yes, it does come with some instant traffic, but it's not very good. Okay, and that's why I'm giving you access to some proper traffic bonuses. So I recommend that you use my traffic bonuses instead of the inbuilt instant traffic that they have inside of here, which I don't think is very good, right? So my first traffic bonus, which is bonus number 2, is Bing Ads. Okay, I'm going to give you a full breakdown on how Bing Ads works. And if you don't know what Bing Ads are, basically it's Microsoft's version of Google, right? So Microsoft have their own search platform, their own search engine, just like Google does, but it's owned by Microsoft. And the ads, they also have an ads platform as well, which they call Bing, or I think they now call it Microsoft Ads. They are a lot cheaper, right, than Google Ads. So I'm going to show you how to set up these ads, and I'm going to show you how you can target your ads towards your uPassive campaigns. And I think this is going to be really helpful to you. Bonus number 3, I'm going to show you how to get traffic to your pages using YouTube ads. Now, this is something that I'm kind of an expert in. You've probably seen my YouTube ads all over the internet. That's because I know what I'm doing, and they bring me in a lot of money, right? So I'm going to show you how you can set up YouTube ads, and you can use them for uPassive, right? Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you access to Enigma. Now, this is a software that I created probably about a year and a half ago, but it still works right now today in April 2021. And what Enigma is it's going to give you access to a software that works together with Facebook. Okay, so it takes advantage of viral content on Facebook. It allows you to take advantage of this viral content on Facebook, share it on your own pages or groups, and get a ton of traffic to this viral content, and then monetize it using a link of your choice. Now, the link of your choice in this particular instant will go to your uPassive pages. So this is going to help you out with traffic, free traffic from Facebook. Finally, bonus number 5, I'm going to give you access to any bonuses the vendor's given to me to give to you. So to claim all of these bonuses 100% free of charge and part of your uPassive purchase, all you need to do, first of all, is click on that link down below in the description of this YouTube video if you're watching on YouTube to come through to my bonus page, okay, which you may already be on if you come through from my email. Simply scroll down and click on any of these yellow buttons as of 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 30th of April, and that will bring you through to the sales page that will look like this, where you can go ahead and pick this up. Now, as soon as you picked it up, you'd simply need to go through into your Warrior Plus account. In the top right hand side, you're going to see your username. Just hover over there, click on purchase history, and that will take you through to your receipt page for uPassive, which will look something like this one here, where you will find a blue button on that page that says access affiliate bonus. When you click on that blue button, you'll get free instant access to every single one of these juicy bonuses that I just talked to you about just now, even if you just pick up the front end of uPassive, which is only going to be $16.93. You'll still get access to all these bonuses, right? So let's now go and have a look at the sales page, and it says over here, uPassive creates up to 4 passive income streams for us every single day. Anybody can do this. Pick any topic, set it up in 5 minutes, leave it alone, and bang, okay? Check out the sales video here. And check out the rest of this sales page, because you're going to find income proof on here, you're going to find testimonials, and you're going to find a lot more information about uPassive. And you can see some of the income proof down here, $4,521 in a single day, 207 sales, right? You've got a lot of other information on here as well. Now, this product is brought to you by my ex-business partner, Brendan Mace, and I don't know if there's a picture of him on this sales page, but he puts out some pretty solid products. So check out this sales page in your own time. I'm not going to go through the whole thing with you because it is pretty long. What I'm going to do right now is simply jump into the members area and show you around. So here we go. This is what the dashboard looks like. And here's where you're going to find all of your stats for your traffic, all of the leads that you've generated, and all of the total pages that these campaigns have generated for you. Now, you can go and plug in your autoresponder, or you can go and use the inbuilt autoresponder, so you can download all of your leads later on. But basically, it's pretty simple. You just come over here to campaigns, right? And you can either manage your campaigns here by clicking on manage your campaigns, and here you can go and see all the pages that you've created before. You can go and view them, you can go and copy them, you can go and edit them, you can also go and delete them, and you can see all the traffic stats here, and you can download the leads through these 2 green buttons here on next to your campaigns that you've made. Now, to go and make a campaign, that's also pretty simple. You just click on create new over here, just here. And then you have these different choices here. So you can create a custom campaign from scratch, or you can use these pre-made campaigns. So you've got CB Passive Income 5.0, right? And that will give you $198 per sale. You've got Ted's Woodworking, which is obviously a woodwork-related product. Okay, so a lot of these products, they're not even in the BizOp niche. They're not in the make money online niche. They're in evergreen niches like woodworking. You've got a diet product here, which is going to pay you $22.74. You've got an acne related product here. You've got a diabetes related product here. Or you can unlock the $1,000 commission products, but that's going to be part of the upgrades, which I'll talk to you about later on. So all you need to do is simply go and choose one of these pages, or you can go and start from scratch by clicking on here. You can go and choose any of these pages, and there's literally, well, what's 600? Well, there's 6,740 pages that you can choose from, all with different designs and stuff like that. You just simply preview them here or select them here and go and punch in the data that you want to use. So you can completely customize it to your liking there, or you can just go ahead and use one of the pre-made funnels that these guys have made for you. So you got CB Passive Income. So if you select this one, you simply scroll down. You can go and customize your page here. So you can go and call this John O. Armstrong. You can go and put your ClickBank ID in there. So let's say, I know that this is a Warrior Plus link, but let's say that it is a ClickBank affiliate link. You'd obviously have to go and get your ClickBank ID for this particular product and then input it down here. You can also have a push notification script in here. So you can either go and use, I use a service which is called Wonder Push or Wonder Push. And that's probably the cheapest one. There's other options out there that you can use for push notifications as well. If you don't know what they are, they're basically notifications that will pop up on your screen. And they're pretty useful for marketing. Okay, they pop up on your desktop or your mobile or whatever device you're using. Okay, you've also got a ManyChat script, which is going to be like a Facebook Messenger script that you can integrate here, and you can also put pixel codes in here if you want to do remarketing with Facebook, with YouTube, with Bing ads. You can put your remarketing pixel code inside of there as well if you want. They're all optional. You can also upgrade to grab your visitors' email addresses. Okay, so that's actually one of the upgrades. So once you're done, you just click on save and publish, and it will create these pages for you. So it will create your, let's just have a look at them. So it'll create your opt-in page here, okay, where people go and submit their name. Well, they'll go and submit their email address. They'll click continue, and when they click continue, it'll take them through to the pre-sell page, which is going to look like this, which has all been done for you. You can see all of this stuff has been written for you. It's all been created for you. And then when they click on any of the links on here, click to get access, it will go through your affiliate link to the product. And when they buy, you will get commissioned with that sale, which is pretty easy. As you've seen, I've just set this up in literally 30 seconds. Now, the next step is to get traffic to your opt-in page. Now, what I recommend you do is you take the URL from your opt-in page here, right? And then you go and run traffic from one of the many bonuses that I'm giving to you for free. Lazy Traffic Sniper is going to show you how to get traffic through Quora, which I definitely recommend because it's free. Or you could use Bing ads. This is a paid solution. Or you could use YouTube ads, which again is a paid solution. Or you could go ahead and use Enigma, which is another free solution. So go and use those traffic sources rather than using the traffic sources that are included here, which are, well, you'll see. I'll show you. They're actually pretty crap. But what you would do here is click on instant traffic. Click here. You'd go to your opt-in page. And then all this is going to do is give you access to these social media accounts. Now, unless you already have an established following on these social media accounts, this instant traffic stuff is not going to work. I'll tell you right now. You need to have some kind of following on Blogger, on Medium, on Dig, on all of these other social media sources in order for you to take advantage of this so-called instant traffic, okay? Otherwise, it's not going to work. What this is doing is it's just sending your link and adding it to these social media profiles. But if you have, let's say, a Blogger account and you've just opened it up, you don't have any followers on there, then this traffic is just going to go to an audience of 0 people, and it's not going to help you out at all. So what I suggest you do, like I just said, is take the URL, and go and use my bonuses, right? Because all of these bonuses are traffic related and they're all yours completely free when you pick this up. I mean, I like the way that this puts the pages together for you, but the instant traffic is actually pretty useless unless you have a following on these places. So I'm just pre-warning you right now. Okay, so the rest of it is pretty solid. I mean, it's going to make these pages for you. As you've seen, it's going to do that in record time. I mean, it set my pages up for these done for you campaigns in literally 30 seconds, so it can do the same for you. All you need to do is just run your own traffic to those pages if you want to get good results. Okay, so that's everything inside of this dashboard. That's everything inside of uPassive, and that's everything that you're going to get access to for $16.93. Okay, now remember, for that $16.93, you're going to get access to my bonuses as well, which are worth way more than $16.93, right? And you're getting those for free. Upsell number 1 is going to be the Elite Edition. Now, I'm guessing that the Elite Edition is going to allow you to add subscribers. Okay, that's what you're going to need to pick up to get subscribers. Now, I don't have any further information about the prices of these OTOs, unfortunately. I can just tell you what they are, but I don't know how much they're going to cost. And I don't know if there's going to be any downsells either, which is unfortunate. You'll just have to click through and check them out in your own time. Right, upsell number 2 is going to be a done for you, where I guess these guys are going to set up your pages for you. Upsell number 3 is going to be the high ticket integration. So remember, when we went through to our campaigns and we tried to create a new campaign, we had these different options. One of them was unlock the $1,000 commissions. That's what this high ticket integration upsell number 3 is going to be all about. So if you want that, that's going to be upsell number 3. Again, I don't know what the price is going to be. Upsell number 4 is the done for you campaigns. So I don't know what the difference between upsell number 4 and upsell number 2 is, so please don't ask. I don't have any further information about that. You just have to look at the sales pages. Upsell number 5 is limitless traffic. Now, I do know what this is going to be about. Basically, what Brendan will allow you to do is take your remarketing pixels from either Facebook, YouTube, or AdWords, or Bing, and allow you to add those remarketing pixels onto his sales page. And this is something I actually recommend that you do. When me and Brendan were working together, this was an upsell that we invented. We were the first people to do this. And the reason being is because it's so powerful. It allows you to put your remarketing pixels on their sales pages, in this case on Brendan's sales pages. Now, Brendan's sales pages get hit with literally tens of thousands of visitors. He's a very big vendor. He's a very big super affiliate, probably one of the biggest on Warrior Plus. So his pages get a lot of traffic. So I know you've probably seen limitless traffic upsell on a lot of these products, but if you are going to buy it, I would suggest buying it from somebody like Brendan, because his pages get the most traffic. So you get the most bang for your buck there. Usually he sells it for $197 with a downsell at $97. That's all the information I have about this. Upsell number 6 is the license rights to everything. So that basically means that you get to keep 100% of all of these price points. And I don't know what these price points are, but you will get to keep 100% versus just 50% as a regular affiliate. And all you would need to do once you have this license is simply send your traffic to this exact sales page, and then you get to keep 100% of the money, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so don't forget to check out my bonuses, and remember that my first bonus is very special and it is time sensitive, so it will be removed after the first 12 hours. It will be removed at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 30th of April. So make sure that you don't miss out on that. Make sure that you bookmark that bonus, okay, so you're not going to lose access to it. Okay, so that basically brings me to the end of this video. So thank you so much for watching my uPassive review, and I will speak to you on the next one. All the best. Take care.